Hey guys, what's up? It's MrReviewerMan here. Today I have an unboxing from Cablox. You see there's our logo right there. They're a company that they sell this one thing that they call the Cablox, and it's basically a cable management type thing. And it runs about $15 total. You can get it from Amazon. It's like $11.99 and then shipping's $2.99. So yeah, it comes out to be $15. And so, thank you guys for sending me a review sample. I greatly appreciate it. So let's go ahead and open it up. So we got that open there. And pull it out. Make sure nothing. Oh, we got something else. See, here's your little business card. Cablox. And there's the Cablox itself. Well, not the actual, but yeah, there's a picture of it. Go ahead and put that over here. Sticks. And here they are. Cablox. The art of cable management. Just shows you some example. It actually has a sticky pad on the back, so you can actually stick it to something and place it somewhere. Like, they give an example, like underneath a desk or on the side of a desk or something. So yeah, that's cool. Let's go ahead and open this up then. Looks like it comes with like two different ones. Well, it's not. They're not different. It comes with two of them. So that is neat. Let me get that out. And here they are. Cablox. So this is what they look like. I'll just show you one. And on the back they have a sticky pad, and you just peel it off, and it's really sticky, so that you can put it on the side of a desk, underneath the desk. Same thing for this one. Well, whoops, it's a little bit messed up, just a little bit folded over right there. Nothing, not a big deal. But yeah, that is basically the Cablox. Let me go ahead and get a cable, and I'll kind of just show you an example of what it does. Alright guys, well, I have my phone cable for my phone charger, and I'll just kind of show you what it does. Basically, you just push it down in like that, and you can just kind of like redirect it to take up space if you want, something like that. I don't know, I'm just doing a quick example. Just kind of show you there. It's wrapped. You can really do whatever you want. It doesn't matter. It's a freedom. So that is really cool. That's basically what you do. Is like, if you have a really like messy set of wires, like I do behind my desk, you can put this somewhere. Maybe rewire them all, so maybe it looks a lot neater. So I'm definitely gonna try this out. We'll have a review coming soon. Thanks again, Cablox. Link will be in the description. To order one, you just go on their website, and they'll give you a link to the Amazon site, because they have all their sales basically on Amazon.com. So yeah. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and thanks again, Cablox. Peace.